Hello my good people, welcome again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to come across this channel, so thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. My good name is Feliz Mwika, born and raised in Kenya, East Africa. So today I'm going to cook a traditional Kenyan food, mostly known in the eastern part of Kenya, Kambaland, where I come from. So today I'm cooking muthokoi. This is what we call muthokoi. As you can see, guys, this is the mixture of maize and beans. Yeah, these are the soya beans. So the first step is to wash the muthokoi. I'll be washing them separately. Now it is very clean. As you can see, now the water is not milk, it is sparkling clean, very clear. That shows that the muthokoi is very clean. So this is the last rinsing process. Yeah, after washing, then the next I will wash the beans. I don't salted again, so we have no stones as the bad ones. I already done that. So let me wash. This one is not dirty. This is the last reason. So guys, I will be using the charcoal jiko for today to cook. Yeah, as you can see the water. First I will put the beans first because the water is hot, very hot. And then I cover the pot and allow it to boil first before I add the muthokoi. Now time to mix them with the maize or muthokoi. Then I give it some hours to time to add the carrots now because the onions are ready. The carrots and the capsicum. A little salt. What have I done? Let me add the turmeric. I had already forgotten about it. Let me allow it to cook a bit before adding the githeri, the muthokoi, not githeri. Oh my God. And a little water for the sauce. We call it sauce. In the native language, we call it kidoi. And more salt. You can see, guys, the food looks so nice. Now time to add the coriander. This is the last ingredient. Yes, like that. Now the food is ready, guys. As you can see, I think you can see, guys, it looks so yummy. Even before tasting it, you can tell. And the aroma is wow. Now, guys, as you have seen the way I have cooked the muthokoi, and now it is ready. Now it is time to taste, to serve and taste on camera. Here in Feliz Mika kitchen, that's how we do it. And the food here is very hot, as you can see, and it looks so yummy. It's so good. Can see, guys? Yeah. If you want to taste the food, you can use my formula and you like it, you love it totally. It is very, very, very nice and simple to cook. The food is recommended to everyone, to the young children, like the teenagers. It's very good to the teenagers, to the breastfeeding mothers, even to the elderly. It is recommended to everyone. If you love the formula and you like it, remember to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe for those who haven't done so, guys. Support me, guys, through subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. So let me taste the food. Whoa, it is very hot. Hot, hot. Wow. I think, guys, you are near me. We could have eaten together because the food is so yummy. I like it. I love it so much. So, guys, that's the end of today's video. If you haven't subscribed, go on and do so. And also give the video a like, and also drop me a good comment down there and tell me something good about today's cooking. See you next time. Goodbye and good luck. I love you all.